Subscribe now. Introducing the Tiny T1 from Zanco, officially the world's smallest mobile phone. This fully functional, talk and text mobile phone is unbelievably tiny. The Zanco Tiny T1 mobile phone is smaller than your thumb, lighter than a coin, and is ridiculously cute. The first time you see it you can't believe it exists. Your second thought is, why does it exist? When you look a third time you realize how much you want it. So here are just a few reasons why you need the Zanco Tiny T1. First, it's the must-have gadget of 2018, if you're a gadget geek, you have got to have this. Second, it's an ideal backup or emergency phone. It's so small you can keep third, in your bag, pocket or glove compartment as a secondary phone. Fourth, it's so damn cute. Fifth, the perfect novelty gift. What do you buy someone who's got everything? Sixth, use it when you need to travel light. The Tiny T1 is perfect for joggers, runners, walkers, cyclists and those who take part in extreme sports because it's so compact it can go in any size pocket. 7th, it's great as a backup on a night out and any occasion where you don't want to carry a bulky phone but still want the reassurance of staying connected. 8th, it's a great conversation starter. As soon as you take the Tiny T1 out, you'll be the talk of the pub, office or classroom. 9th, overseas travel. The Zanco Tiny T1 is so small it can go wherever you go. The Zanco Tiny T1 will work with any mobile phone network. You can change the nano SIM at any time if you want to change your network too. The tiny phone operates on the 2G network. The battery has 3 days standby and 180 minutes talk time.